Hello friends, Ashraf Khan here from Third Eye Entrepreneurs. In today's live video, we are going to talk about that network marketing is a tremendous way to cross boundaries and eliminate prejudice. It gives you the opportunity to deal with your global neighbors. It doesn't really matter whether you speak the language or whether you eat differently or pray differently. In any traditional or conventional business, it takes hundreds of thousands of dollars to start a business from a single location. And if the entrepreneur plans to go global, then they may have to invest a few $1 million. We have seen many small companies become big because of their global presence, and their success revolves around investment of millions of dollars. The beauty of network marketing is that the company gives ordinary people the opportunity to start one's own business with only a few $100 or less from the comfort of their homes and yet have immediate access to a global business right away. You build a business from home and in a couple of years have an opportunity to expand into many countries without any additional investment. When I started my network marketing career, I started in Stockholm. I knew a lot of people because I used to hang out with them in my free time, have barbecue parties on weekends, and I would go outing, do sports activities with my friends. I was also a volunteer in Red Cross arranging integration events for different multicultural nationalities. I started my network marketing by talking to all my friends and explained them in details what it had to offer. Slowly but surely, the business picked up for me and for my members and a few leaders. So, from this very city, I started from here. It expanded my business to over 25 countries. The question which may be puzzling you is, did I go to all these countries? The answer is no. It was these leaders from my team who first expanded their business to adjoining cities like Gothenburg, Malmo, and Gislaved, and all these people introduced the business to their friends and in their respective countries. So the global business took me from Stockholm to almost all over Europe, Middle East, US, Africa, and Australia. The world became big global village for me. In and if your network marketing company is located in many countries, you could well imagine where all you can travel and expand your business. This is all that travel freedom is all about. The one word, one market concept in network marketing allows you to go beyond your borders. The best part is you need not open all those countries at once or by your own effort, but by when someone in your team enrolls a new member anywhere in the world, that member automatically becomes a part of your global team. And that is the power of globalization in our business of network marketing. You can start and build your business in your own city or country, but it is vital to expand globally because the way is today, the world economy and political situations are changing. Nobody can predict what is going to happen next. If you see the recent world recession scenario, some countries were badly impacted and others were not. It does not take years, but just a few months to drastically transform the political or a pandemic situation of any country. Today, peace, and tomorrow we see those countries at war or civil strife due to pandemics. In order to have a stable income in your business, it is important to expand your business in other countries. So even if the economy of one country is badly affected, you still you still get your bonus from other countries. This is the beauty of network marketing and the one world, one market concept. So that was it for today. I've been coaching people since 5 years. So do reach out to me if you have any question. Become your greatest version and meet you until next video.